How to apply transitions on Openshot. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video dives into transitions in Openshot, those cool effects that smooth the jump between your video clips. Openshot offers a variety of transitions to choose from. Look for the Transitions tab at the top of the interface. Clicking it reveals a library of transitions categorized by type: dissolve, wipe, or slide. Take some time to browse the transition options. And each transition has a preview window so you can see the effect it creates before applying it. And just like this, once you've found your perfect transition, it's easy to apply it. Simply drag and drop the transition clip from the library onto the timeline and place it between the two video clips you want to connect, right here in these blue spaces. And like this, the transition will apply and you can preview it right here on your screen. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.